What's going on, everyone? Today I'm going to show you how to make a melody like this. What is the key to writing special, emotional, memorable melodies? And the reason I picked Avicii's name to put on this video is because I think he's one of the best in the world at writing powerful, memorable melodies. And what makes his melodies so powerful and special? I'm going to teach you what I think the answer is in this video. His melodies have 4 parts. They're 4-part rhythms. And a lot of them are very repetitive, but he did little tricks to keep them interesting, keep them fun. The way this melody is structured is it has an A section for the first bar. The second bar is another A section, so that means these 2 bars repeat. The third bar repeats, and then there's a B section, which means it doesn't repeat, it does something different to close the melody. That's what a lot of his melodies do. Some of his melodies don't even close, they're A, 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 A. But this melody is A, 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 B. So it's kind of like talks to itself the whole time. And it's really, really interesting. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to write this melody out. This melody now, this little 1-bar melody, will satisfy the rest of the bars, because what his melodies do is they repeat and then they close. So what this means is we're going to come on the 4th part of this melody over here and just change a couple notes to make it different. So if you're ever stuck on a melody, maybe it's because you're adding too many notes and it just sounds too all over the place, and that might be why it's not interesting. Where all you really have to do is make something interesting for the first bar and copy and paste it over the next 4 bars and then just close the melody in the 4th bar. This melody now sounds like this. Very simple, very repetitive, goes A, 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 B. Notice I said it was very repetitive, and that's because it is. But what he did is he always added these little tricks to keep everything interesting and fun to listen to. So what he did with this one is, because the lead was like that plucky synth sound, it would work really well to add these little stutter notes on every couple of notes here. Let's add another stutter here. This one's not really a stutter. It's just a little dance, like a little melodic dance. So now, this melody went from A, 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 B to A1, A2. It's going to go back to A1 and then B. See those little tricks? It's still the same melody, but now it's like doing these little dance things, these little tricks, and you're like, yeah! All I did was just copy and paste all this stuff, because all I have to do now is close the melody there, and then you got the simplest melody in the world that sounds amazing. And bang! So what I want you to take from this video is 2 things. The first thing is that try to remember that you can structure your melody in some rhythmic way with variations of A sections, B sections, and even C sections. Like his song Without You has a C section. That one goes A, B, A, C. So have some sort of melodic structure like that, and remember to close your melodies. Closing your melodies allows the song to stop that sequence and then move on to the next sequence. It's really fun stuff, but it's really easy too once you understand it. So if you took any value from this video, I'd really appreciate you checking out all the services and stuff that I offer in the description below. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, turn the notifications on, and it all helps me out, guys. I love you so much. Peace out.